Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bolt control arms used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to make changes to the control arms on your vehicle, you must lift the front of the car and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely, before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use degreaser to facilitate the operation. Using a spanner, unscrew the ball joint retaining nut from the control arm. If the ball joint turns with a nut, you will need to block the rotation of the ball joint by applying pressure with a jack. Use a crowbar to remove the ball joint from the control arm of the stub axle. Using a 21mm spanner, a ratchet and a 21mm socket, unscrew and remove the rear control arm retaining screw. Then, remove the front control arm retaining bolt using a 21mm spanner, ratchet and a 30mm socket. Disconnect the ABS sensor cable. You can now remove the control arm.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new control arm. Start by brushing, then greasing where the control arm will be placed to make it easier to install. Start by inserting the back part and sliding it into its housing. Once in place, roughly screw in the screws by hand. Pivot the control arm to put the front part into the housing. Once in place, insert the screw. To make it easier to insert the screw, thread the ball of the control arm into the stub axle. Lift slightly with the jack to align the bolt hole in the control arm with the bolt hole in the chassis. And rescrew the two holding screws. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Screw the ball joint nut and the control arm back on. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. During this operation, you will work on the steering system of your vehicle. Checks on tyre alignment, when carried out by a professional, will guarantee that your steering system has been perfectly aligned and is in good working order. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.